What's the meaning of appease? Appease. Appease.
Appease. Appease. Appease means to pacify or calm someone by giving them what they want or by making concessions. The result of appeasing someone is typically a reduction in tension or conflict, as the person's demands have been met or their concerns addressed. However, there can also be negative consequences to appeasement, such as encouraging further demands or undermining one's own position of authority. Overall, appeasement should be approached with caution and weighed against the potential risks and benefits.